Given the quadratic formula again, highlighted in red under the radical here is the discriminant d. d equals b squared minus 4ac. Practice. Determine the value of the discriminant. Alright, so here our discriminant d equals b squared minus 4ac, and that equals b squared is negative 3 squared, which is 9, minus 4 times 1 times negative 2. So this is 9 plus 8, which is 17. All right, here, d equals b squared minus 4ac, and that equals 25 minus 4 times 3 times 4. So that is 25 minus 48, which is negative 23. 17 and negative 23. The discriminant is the quantity that will indicate whether the quadratic equation has 0, 1, or 2 real solutions. There are 3 possible scenarios. The discriminant is less than 0, so that means that this portion here under the radical is negative. The square root of a negative is undefined. Therefore, in this scenario where the discriminant is less than 0, there are no real solutions. The second scenario is that the discriminant equals 0. So we have a 0 under the radical in the quadratic equation. The square root of 0 is 0. There's going to be one real solution because this term will go away and we are just left with this as our solution. The third scenario is that the discriminant is greater than 0. So we'll have a positive number under the radical. The square root of a positive number is a positive number. Therefore, there are 2 real solutions in this situation. A quadratic function f of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 2 is shown. The graph of f has no x-intercepts, which implies that the function has no real solutions. The discriminant is negative 4. So you can see the graph of this, there are no x-intercepts here, no solutions. There are no zeros. The quadratic function g of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 1 is shown. The graph of g has exactly one x-intercept, which implies that the function has one real solution. The discriminant here is 0. So we have 1, 0, one solution. The quadratic function h of x equals x squared plus 2x is shown. The graph of h has exactly 2 x-intercepts, which implies that this function has 2 real solutions. The discriminant here is 4, which is positive. So we have 2 zeros, 2 solutions.